Hello, you're most welcome to New Automation Technology Peer Compare with me right here, Samuel Klama, bringing you new tips and techniques of creating a folder and multiple folders for managing your work in a different location in your computer. Right, let me get right into the practical part of it and move step by step and show you how it is going to work. Hold Control plus Shift Command Hand in order for you to create a folder in any location in your computer. Yes, even if it is on the desktop, you can create it there. The moment you have held all those keys simultaneously, the folder will be created on your desktop automatically. So from here, you can just enter the name of the folder. You can enter the name of the folder, and that is the name that is going to be for your folder, and that's it. It is just very simple. For me right now, I'm going to give a name for my folder. So after that one, just do this thing. You can press enter key, or you can click away in order for you to go to confirm the name of your folder. Yes, and that's it. It is just very simple like that. So after that one, you can also still press enter key and you open the folder, or you follow the prompt. You can just right click on it, then you select the commands opened, then you will be inside the folder. So from there again, you can also still create a folder for different activities, right? Like for me here, I'm going to create a multiple folder for different activities that I'm going to do. Yes, and that's it. It's just very really simple. Yes, I hope you can also do the same thing. For me, I'm going to create a multi-fold folder here right now by using the keyboard shortcut. You have to press Ctrl, Shift plus Command N. Then the folder automatically will be created, as I'm going to do right now. It is very simple. Ctrl, Shift and N. Then I give a name to the folder, and that's it. So you can do that one multiple times as long as you wanted to create a folder. You can create a folder inside the folder. That's one way how you can manage your work. You can manage your work using a folder. A folder actually is a place in the computer which is used to keep a file. So a file can be your document with media files, or maybe any kind of the format. Yes, can be the audio, can be the video, can be the Word document, can be the MS Access, that is Microsoft Office Access, spreadsheet, all those kind of stuff, right? Yes, so that is it. That is where you can create a folder. It's really very simple, as you can see right now here. Yes, that's it. Maybe I'm creating a folder for this company to manage their work, which I'm working for them. That's it. So every time anyone come from different company come that I wanted to see our work, I will just quickly go to that folder and I get my work right there. That's it. It is just very simple. Yes, hope you are blessed. See you in the next section. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Yes.